Back to the same spot I've had for the past week or two. I think it's now 3 or 4 times I've pitched here. And there's been sheep. Fucking sheep shit. Not supposed to be getting in here because of the barbed wire fence. Anyway, I'm knackered. I can't be asked hunting for another place. It's even steeper over there. I mean, it's steep here, but it's not as steep as, you know. So, yeah, I need to get the hammock up and change shirts. So, main thing to do, find a place. It doesn't matter if the ground is steep. The hammock is going to be tied between 2 trees. Give things a shake in case there's any dead branches. Bloody sheep shit. So, ow! One who stabbed me. That was right. A few dead bits, but the main bit's going to be okay. This sort of height, maybe 2 meters high, sort of thing. That side is going to be a bit higher because it's going on that branch. Although, see, I'll try and put it around the tree. The tree's so wide. Good old oak tree. It's going to be too wide for the strap, really. And that means I'll be further down there onto this steeper bit. So, yeah, there, on that branch. And I've used my strap on this one now 3 or 4 times, and there's still no evidence of me. Okay, a bent twig. But, you know, leave no trace on that bollocks. Unlike the sheep, dirty bastards. So, yeah, hammock, because I need to sit down. I'm not quite sure what this was listed at, but 2 metre square, very light, foil on both sides, foam in the middle. Well, it's bright sunlight and I can't. Big 2 metres is, yeah, 2 metres square, so it's 6 foot long, which is fine because the hammock itself is, I think it's 3 metres, yeah, from tip to tip. But because it's 2 metres wide as well, that's I'm going to be oven ready in that. I'm not. Well, it is breezy, so I might pop in and just see whether or not it is keeping the wind out. I feel like an oven-ready chicken. Yeah. The width of the hammock is, I think, 1.5 meters. It's basically a circular thing. So you're talking maybe 3 meters in total. But that's just crap. I mean, if you look, you can see through the hammock there. I mean, the double skin, I'm lying on double skin as well. But see how transparent the hammock is. And this thing no light whatsoever getting through. So it's got the blockage, and I can feel the wind here, and obviously in the hammock. But down here, I can feel the breeze on my tootsies, but then it's coming through the top here. So if I were to rearrange this, and have it higher on the left-hand side, because that's where the wind is from North Hill. Yeah, I might not bother using my inflatable mattress. I mean, yes, I'm still going to have the sleeping bag, but it might not. It might be completely different when it's 3 o'clock in the morning and howling a gale and pissing down with rain. But, God, it's so comfy. It is so much better without the airbed. The air mattress is a wonderful, brilliant, excellent invention, but it is still pretty solid. And if you try to deflate it to make it not as hard to lie on, it just, all the air goes to one place. So yeah, this, and it may fall apart in the night as I'm tossing and turning and tossing and tossing and tossing and turning, but I've had insomnia for 50 years. So yeah, first impression, this is the first time since the first hammock, which would have been about 2 months ago, that I've actually laid in the hammock as a hammock. Because aside from that very first time, I've always had the air mattress. I mean, it does give you a bit of reassurance as well, the air mattress, because it means you're not worried about you scratching or rubbing directly on a single part of the hammock because you're moving the entire mattress. But then, this is basically a ground sheet, but it's extremely lightweight. I can't believe how light it is and how freaking shiny. I tell you, if some fucking nerd shoots me in the night thinking I'm an alien, they better probe me first, or at least after. Yes, I'm wearing white socks, deal with it. And yes, I'm a bloke, so I brought 3. Why is it men never wank into a non-white sock? It feels weird. It just does. Maybe it's a racist thing. Do black guys wank into white socks as well, or do they only wank into black socks? I don't know. It's weird. Okay. I think I might not go into a fire. My little fire pit over there. Sun's getting a bit low. Well, it's now August, so the sun is definitely getting lower in the sky. A lot of the leaves have been dropping off the trees, but that's because of the heat. Heat waves. What's heat waves? They keep naming storms. If you can get a name a storm, it does not make it scarier if you give it a really, really gay name, like Flossie. I think the one tonight is called Flossie or Florrie. It sounds more like a fucking woke BLM fucking gay slasher movie. Attack of the Killer Fluffy. Revenge of the Fluffy. The Fluffy will get you if you don't do your chores. Do as you're told, or Fluffy will visit you in your sleep. It's the second coming of Fluffy. I'm a bit comfy, and my oven ready is very comfy. It's weird because I've actually got a bit of a bounce in it now, a boing. Before, because the mattress, the inflatable one, gives it a lot more rigidity. I must put on the rain tarp things as well. Yep, I'm going to get me paracord out as well. Paracord is great for one very, very simple thing. It means I can attach my Bergen to it and my other bits and pieces to it to keep them off the ground. It's even more important when you've got sheep shit on the ground. Okay, I need to move it a bit. Just it's a little bit comfy. Hello, happy tree. Don't worry, I'm not going to shag you. I might give you a cuddle, but I won't shag you.